Well, I got a crazy one we're gonna go check out. I got wind of a house that would be perfect for a set of twins. The rumor is a set of sisters wanted to see each other sometimes and didn't want to see each other other times. So they built this house where the common area between the two living areas is the kitchen. So they share the kitchen, and then it's got 2 living rooms, 2 bedrooms, 2 everything, and they're identical. That's why I said it'd be perfect for some twins. I can't wait to show you this house. Let's go see Alice and Kelly, 2 of the best agents in the northern neck of Virginia. They're listing this house and they've invited me to come check it out. Let's go see it. All right, so we're gonna head up to this house. It's very close to the Potomac River in the northern neck. We're gonna be on the northern end of the northern neck in Heathsville, Virginia. But really cool house. We're gonna head over there right now and meet with Alice and Kelly. The northern neck is very unique, right? There's areas of it where you're out in the middle of nowhere. You've got privacy, but you're not far from some great restaurants. We're not far from the house, but make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're gonna be doing so many cool videos. We're also doing shorts and reels on upcoming events and changes in the area. Anytime a new restaurant is opening, whether it's in the northern neck or the middle peninsula, anywhere near the Chesapeake Bay, we're gonna be posting on that. But as I said, I mean, we're kind of off the beaten path here. You can have a home to get away from it all. Just such a cool place. All right, we're at 65 Potomac Way Lane. We're gonna go in and see Alice and Kelly in just a moment, but I want to give you a kind of a shot of the outside. And as I was saying, we're gonna call this the twins house. You can definitely see that it's pretty symmetrical there. Pretty cool. So, but just a little shot of the yard here. Beautiful, beautiful property here. It's like a little shed back here. Let's see what they've got going on in the backyard. I think I see water over there. We'll be going down to the water later on.
Welcome, 65 Potomac Way, Heathsville, Virginia.
Look at that. Wasn't expecting that.
Almost 4,300 square feet.
Wow.
You actually have 2 complete wings of ensuite bedrooms and living rooms with the kitchen in the middle.
So if you don't like your family for a day, you can get away.
Absolutely.
Oh, wow.
On this side, you have living and dining combined. This would be a great study or office. They have it set up as a bunk room. Five bedrooms plus a bunk room. 5 full baths. Fully stocked kitchen with pass-throughs to both sides of the house.
So we've got the other side of the house, which is very much a reflection of the first side. And similar to the other wing, we have an owner's suite, but this one also has a screen porch. The right wing has an extra bonus room, a loft area with a full bath, and some great views of Cubic Creek. So this property is on Cubitt Creek. It has about 132 feet of shoreline. Cubitt Creek has what is called controlled depth at the mouth. It means you can see out to the Potomac River when you're on your boat, but you can't take your boat out to the river because it's very, very shallow at the mouth. And for those people with homes on Cubitt Creek, they love it that way. As you can see, it keeps this body of water very peaceful and only for the use of the private owners on the creek. So one of the nice features about this lot is that it adjoins the community boat ramp. So it actually, by the screen porch, has a little path right there where you could keep your boat in the yard, but when you want to put it in the water, you just pull it right through to the community area and pull it down to the ramp and out into the water.
Well, that's it. If you like this video, I think you'll like this one even more. It's where we show an awesome house in Whitestone, and I almost get seasick while doing it. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.